Hey, gorgeous. How you doing? Hey. You want to fly into my hand? What do you think you're gonna reach? Come on, you can do it. Come on, give it a go. Ooh, you're thinking about it, hey? Hey, it's okay. I think he's a bit annoyed with me. What if I make a bridge? How about that? Oh, is that your way of saying? Oh, alright. What if I'm standing over here? What are you gonna do? Hey? He's so gorgeous. It's okay. You can fly into my hands. You're not gonna reach by that way. Alright. You win. You're very beautiful. Okay. Alright. I think that's enough. Alright, you. Have a good day. Bye.